lovies, welcome back to my channel. I'm your Thai Nummy Girl Thai Mars. Okay, so in today's video, we're trying a new product. Now, you know me, I'm here for the new, and if it isn't harmful, let's see how everything works. So, hopefully I don't embarrass myself. So in today's video is a sponsored one, and I was sent this product by the actual company, which is Coco. I was sent Coco's toothpaste whitening kit. Now, in this video, this is me learning along with you, and I was sent to try this, and I've seen this all over Instagram. This is definitely one of those companies that you'd be like, doesn't really work. At Coco, our products are 100% safe to use, a natural and healthy way to whiten your teeth. That's always cool. Colgate, you know, usually use that, but okay. And share your results. Okay, so of course I'm gonna do this right on camera for you, and along the way you'll be getting my initial reaction. This kit comes with the Coco Natural Teeth Whitening. This is the Activate Cold toothpaste, and I also sent you a toothbrush, which funny thing is, I think this toothbrush has the nerve to be freaking gray. Oh my gosh, look. So how do you know if the product is good? Y'all, this is gonna be a trip. And I wanted to record this in my bathroom, but I felt like the lighting in there was gonna be weird, and I didn't feel like taking all my stuff with me. So I got a cup, got some bottled water, and we're gonna try to do this, okay? I'm gonna explain, and I probably might do a voiceover for this because I doubt I can talk and do this all at one time. And for starters, we're going to wet our toothbrush. And please be mindful of the activated charcoal tooth polish. It is a little bit messy, so I took a little bit of the excess powder into the top just so my clumsy self wouldn't drop it all over me. So for the first step of using the activated charcoal tooth polish, you have to brush your teeth for 3 minutes. Now we all know how to brush, so I'm going to speed up this part. And there's nothing greater than bright white teeth, but this, oh my gosh, I felt like I was brushing forever, and I swear I was losing my breath. And also to mention the drooling part, yeah, brushing your teeth isn't that glamorous on camera. And then you're going to make sure that you rinse thoroughly just to make sure you get that excess product out so you can start the second step. With following suit for the first brushing, we're going to brush again using the charcoal toothpaste this time for again 3 minutes. So final thought, the process. Okay, so let's start out with the powder. Very weird. I found myself salivating a lot and just wetting the brush once with the powder and definitely distributing through the teeth. As you saw, my mouth got super black. I wasn't ready for that. I watched a couple of videos before this and I didn't think it was a big deal. Oh honey, it's to the point that you're just drooling black and you're just like, oh no. So I definitely had to sped up that part. Okay, cool. Spit that out, fine. Now with the black toothpaste, it did have a minty undertone, so my mouth does smell fresh. Only thing is drooling again, because like when I brush my teeth in between, because you have to stay with the timer frames, that's it for this product, just so it works properly. And my teeth does feel that, you know how like you brush your teeth and it feels clean? Is that weird? Like maybe that's just with just toothpaste period, but I feel like when you brush your teeth, it just has that really like kind of clean kind of feeling. And that's how my teeth feel. Like I feel like it was a really cool deep clean, because you know charcoal anyway, it's like a astringent, it's kind of like a detoxic thing anyway. But all in all, toothpaste wasn't bad. The powder was weird. Very weird. But I don't know. Do we see a difference? know my teeth personally, a little bit of an extra whitening, you know. And I would definitely say this isn't a tool that first off the bat you're going to notice the change of everything. But what I can say is I'm going to use this a few more times and I'm going to see if this really works. And instead of doing my normal toothpaste regimen in the morning and at nighttime, I'm going to add in this. So what's today? Today is November 1st, and I want to give this a good fair time, not to just judge it off of the first instinct, but definitely not mad at it. I think it's kind of cool though, just using this. I can't stop looking at my teeth. They seem white. Am I crazy? Do they seem whiter? I don't know, maybe I gotta use this a couple more times. And I want to see if I get any reactions as well, because I have sensitive skin, my teeth does weirdness, so see how this goes. Okay, loves, I'll be back. Hey lovies, don't think that I forgot about you. So I'm coming back to give you an update on Carbon Coco. Is this thing on? Okay, so let me give you the tea. So it's been a month. Actually, it's been a couple of weeks. So I recorded the first part of the video, and it was, I believe, the end of November going into the start of December. So when it comes to whitening kits, I believe that when you're getting something, you want to make sure that it actually works. You also want to make sure that it doesn't mess with your teeth and also your daily functions. Like when you brush your teeth, you do that every day, right? So you don't want to have a situation where you're using something and it's making your teeth feel brittle or scratchy, or if you have sensitive teeth, if it messes up that, and the verdict is in. I use this every other day, and I also use Crest 3D White. Now, I feel like with this, it's amazing, okay? Like I said in the first part, I love the way it makes my teeth feel. Like I can't explain it, but it's like when I use it, my plaque is gone. Does that make sense? Sometimes I feel like when I have to do that with my regular toothpaste, I have to do that when I'm like OD brushing, like, and I'm not doing all of that. Like, I also have a situation where I have sensitive gum and sensitive teeth, so I don't want to be losing no teeth. Okay? We're not shaking the tables over here. This is a really timely thing, even though it takes about 3 minutes for both to make them both work properly. They're 3 minutes, which is not an issue. I'm always scared that I was gonna swallow it. Like, that's the only thing, like, since the beginning till now, like, this freaks me out. Like, when I do this in 3 minutes, I literally am trying to like get this done quickly, like, please, like, ugh. And we're all trying to get those good old pearly whites the best way we can, and to use something organic is amazing. And I mean, can we go wrong with just trying out something new? And I'm obsessed with my teeth. I do this only on days where I know I have time. So I do it more on the weekends. I do it more on slow work days if I know I have to work later in the day. And ultimately, I'm very happy. Look at the look at it. Look at me. Look at me. God, I can't even say anything else, but it's bomb. So thanks Carbon Coco for sending me these products. I'm so happy to share this with you guys, and I mean, an organic way for teeth whitening. Let's bring in 2018 with a good and fresh, bright smile. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment down below if you've tried Carbon Coco's products. Like, is this something you've seen on Facebook, Instagram? Like, I've seen it before they even sent it to me, so I'm kind of like shocked that the minty taste, love, and it's not annoying because I love minty toothpaste. Like, it just makes me feel extra clean. And then for it to be charcoal, it's kind of like deeper clean. Anyway, and as always, like this video if you enjoyed it. It helps me a lot. Also be sure to comment down below anything else you'd like to see on my channel, whether it's a challenge or any product you would like me to try for you. And also subscribe to make sure that you keep up with little old me. Let's build a relationship. Say hey. And also follow my Instagram at Trentai, just to, you know, stay in touch with me. Say hey, slide in the DM or two. Shoot your shot 2018. Let me stop. Comment and subscribe to see more tutorials, hauls, and videos from me. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Later, lovies.
Don't forget to subscribe to see more tutorials, hauls, and videos from me. And oh yeah, check out my latest video.